How to enable or disable mute with gestures on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. After that, tap on motions and gestures. Now in here, we go down, then tap on mute with gestures. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here, when this is switched on, it will mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. So that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Okay, here we will test it out. So I can place my hand over the screen and that will immediately mute the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.